This is the elevator at AMC Village 7 in Lower Manhattan, New York City. This was originally a Schindler 700A before getting modernized fairly recently. One. You're back at 1. Take this up to 7. Here you are at 7. Here, be outside, go down to 1. Standard late 2000s AMC elevator, nothing too fancy. I do like the chocolate theme on the walls here. There are your fixtures, some variation of MAD. And at 7, got your Schindler door track down there. Here we go, back at 7. There goes, and that'll be. You can see out along 3rd Avenue from here. That's it.